Collaboration is working together to achieve a goal.
It's a recursive process where two or more people or organisations work together to realise shared goals.
And ideas, they do this by sharing knowledge, learning and building consensus.
Collaboration is often seen in design and artworks,
including media, advertising, music and fashion.
Collaboration was the main part of this project. Firstly, we researched into previous collaborators that include Helicar and Lewis and the GNU Manifesto. Once we collected all of our research, we discussed as a group possible ideas that led to taking part in a post-it note exercise to help us develop our ideas. Alan explains in more detail.
Note exercise, we did this collaboratively by collecting a range of words which involved collaboration. So, for example, music, sports, anything that involved collaboration. And then we decided to pick our two favourite words from that. So, for example, we did creative wall, and we also did music.
Moving on from the post-it note exercise, we asked people what their favourite music lyrics were. This led to a lot of responses through social networking sites, as Alan explains.
So we used social networking sites such as Facebook. We did surveys at University Library. We then gathered all these together, and then collaboratively we put the lyrics together, cut them up, and our inspiration was the Dada cut-up technique, where you cut up different aspects of different words from different pieces of literature. So we did it with our music lyrics, and we stuck them together, and then we decided to move on to creating typography posters out of this.
After using the cut-up technique, we came across a few rules that we wanted to implement in our work, which was to use the lyrics that we found and not to use any other words to try and make a complete sentence. And the image had to be black and white. We had to change font sizes, and we had to change the actual font to relate to the word. For example, if the word was big, we would choose a nice bold font, and the font size would be big, inevitably. And it had to be A3 sized.
Here's Gifty to explain the rules we followed to create a post.
I wanted the words to relate to the type of font that I wanted to put on the page. So, for inside, for instance, I put the word inside, so it was kind of like inside the word. For patience, I kind of put a soft, like curvy font.
Here are the final posters. A big thanks to Alan, Gifty, Amy and Robert for their collaboration within the manifesto.